to the rules and I hit the ground running.
What have I done?
Makes sense not to live for fun. Your brain gets smart, but your head gets done. So much to do, so much to see. So what's wrong with taking the back streets? You'll never know if you don't go. You'll never shine if you don't glow. Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on. Go plays. Hey
Oh,
now.
it's not going to
You're a
stop.
rock star. Get the show on. Get paid and all that glitters is gold. Only shooting stars break the mold. It's a cold place and they say it gets colder. You're bundled up now.
Wait till you get older. This is my attempt at Home Assistant to try and break me away from HomeKit to a degree.
How about yours? That's the way I
My
like
flatmate
it.
just happened to have a Chromecast.
You're an all-star. Get your game on. Go plays. Hey
And you can send text to it, and I sent all-star lyrics.
All that glitters is gold. Only shooting stars break
Oh,
the
boy.
mold. Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on.
Sorry,
Go
fish.
play. Hey now, you're a rock star. Get the show on. Get paid and all that glitters is gold. Only shooting stars. Somebody once asked, could I spare some change for gas? I need to get myself away from this place. I said, yeah, what a concept. I could use a little skill myself, and we could all use a little change well. The years start
That's Whiskers.
coming, and they don't stop coming. Fed to the rules, and I hit the ground running. Didn't make sense not to live for fun. Your brain gets smart, but your head gets done. So much to do, so much to see. So what's wrong with taking the back streets? You'll never know if you don't go. You'll never shine if you don't glow. Hey now, you're an all-star. Get your game on.
I love it.
Plays. Hey now, you're a rock star.
This is the
Get
power
show on. Get paid and all that
of home
glitters is
automation.
gold. Only shooting stars break the mold and all that glitters is gold. Only shooting
We can
stars
listen to
break the
Smash
mold.
Mouth lyrics without actually listening to Smash Mouth. Thanks for watching. More videos will be coming up in a little bit. McRetro out? Question mark?